Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, are you looking to give your home a fresh and vibrant look? So, wall sticker are the perfect choice. So, today in this video, I'm going to share their advantages and their price and the installation process. So, friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So, let's begin the topic. So, first, we understand that why we should select the flower wall stickers. Like, it has some beautiful, amazing reasons. Like, first, they are super affordable. They are budget friendly and cost effective, and in a small amount you can transform a boring wall into a floral masterpiece. It is way cheaper than the paint or wallpaper. Second, they are so easy to use, just peel and stick, no tools, no mesh, no stress. Plus they are removable, so re-enters, this is perfect for you. Third, the designs are endless. Like you can see in this video, you'll get lots of designs are available. You can check my description box, like from flowers to leafy designs, from sunflowers to, there are the multiple designs are available. Another reason to select the wall stickers is that they're very low in maintenance. Like real flowers, they won't wilt or fade. Many are made with durable vinyl lasting years. So fifth, they brighten any space. Floral features can wall make your bedroom, living room or any rooms can be cozy and inviting. There are beautiful brands are available like wall stickers, so you can check out my descriptions. They offer the eco-friendly options and budget-friendly. These stickers can bring the calmness and joy to any room and give you a luxurious to the wall. So friends, now we'll talk about the money, that how much it will cost to purchase this wall stickers. Actually, their price starts from 150 rupees. It comes in different size like 60 centimeter, 27 centimeter, yeah, 58 centimeter, even in the 91 centimeters. So it totally depends upon the designs. And there are lots of designs are available like leaves designs, leaf wall sticker, decor villa, lamp, beautiful leaf wall stickers, flowers, rose. So you'll get different types of designs. And there are beautiful brands are available like Decor Villa, Xkin, Landstick, Creative Decor, Buy, Dream Cart. So you'll get lots of brands are available. You can check out my the description. So friends, now we will going to know the process for installing this wall sticker. So first, clean the surface. Just wipe the wall with a damp cloth to remove the dust or grease. Ensure it's dry before proceeding. Second, hold the sticker up to the wall to decide its position. Use a pencil to lightly mark guidelines or use a level for straight alignment. Lay the sticker flat on a table, backing side down, so peel back a small portion of the backing paper to expose the adhesive. For large designs, cut the sticker into smaller sections for easier applications. And start applying the sticker. Start at the corner or edge, pressing the exposed adhesive to the wall. Slowly peel back more of the backing wall, smoothing the sticker onto the wall with a squeeze to avoid air bubbles. Work gradually aligned with your guidelines and press firmly as you go. And after that, if your sticker has transformed, gently peel it at a 180 degree, leaving the sticker on the wall. Go slowly to avoid the tearing. So once applied, rub over the sticker to ensure it's fully adhere. Check for the bubbles or edges lifting. Press them down or use a pin to release trapped air. So these are the installation process. So friends, these are the beautiful wall sticker designs. You can transform your walls with this in a budget friendly, and you can give the luxurious look to the walls. Nowadays it has become more popular choice for sticking the wall stickers. or if you want wallpapers, you can check my description also. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to select the best designs. So please support to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. And friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, because we are close to 3,50,000 subscribers, and keep supporting to me. Thank you for watching.